By this time, everybody, we are aware about this Hathras incident, that the gang rape tragedy that has happened. Now, everywhere the news is getting flooded with this Hathras incident. Now, here we are discussing this thing from the point of view of our GS paper 4 means ethics, integrity and aptitude. From that point of view, we are discussing this thing. So, it is going to make the shape of your mind, because I have told you in the GS paper 4 the thing is something that it is not possible to mug up anything and then to write down the things in the exam hall and to get one of the best scores there. So most of the people get lagged there in the GS paper 4. It is all about your idea, your perspective and what kind of the person you are, that enough chances has been got left in the GS paper 4 that the question, the way UPSC frames, that the thing remains there, that you can visualize yourself in front of the examiner. So from that point of view, I am discussing this thing. Now, apart from my students, those who are watching this video, if you are belonging to some kind of the having some intellectual bent of mind or that kind of the intelligence or some kind of the reasonability, also this is going to serve your intellectual appetite. So from that point of view, we are going to discuss the things. Now, regarding the Hathras incident, I am not going to waste the time here by speaking after the things, because by this time everybody, you know what has happened and how this thing has been got ended. That means the victim, not ended, ended is not the right word, that means the victim finally succumbed to her injuries in the Safdarjung Hospital, Delhi. Still, in a nutshell, I am saying this thing. See, the thing is there, and as a resultant, the outrage is there in the newspaper, in the media channels. Political mud smuggling has been get started. People have started to raise their fingers towards the administration, the collapse of the administration. So these kind of the things are happening. Candlelight marches are going on. Political your comments are coming out. Some leaders are trying to march towards that particular Hathras village to meet the family of the engraved family. But here we are trying to look after the scenario, not this one, like that the main media or the people, those who are following the things in one trend. We are not going to analyze the things in that very particular trend. We are trying to do our analysis after this particular thing. Anyhow, in a nutshell, I am saying you the things. September 14th, as the things are got reported, September 14th, the incident has taken place. Point number 1. What was the acquisition? The acquisition was there with whatever has been got written in the documents that I am saying. That has been, obviously I have not checked the documents, that has been got reported by the news media. That September 14 the incident has taken. Now the thing was there that as the acquisition has been, or the complaint has been got made by the victim's brother, that the victim and her mother was there in the field to gather the fodder. Then one person accused, the accused person named something, has tried to strangulate her, and as a resultant the girl has received severe injuries. So the victim's brother has reached to the local police station, and the local police station, as the record is showing, that 10:30 a.m. they have lodged the FIR under section IPC 307 and the your SC/ST Act. Now the case has been started, and within the, and one person has been got named. The name of the accused was 1. Now that person has been got arrested, most probably within 5 days or 6 days. Now at that very time, again I am saying, I am not saying this thing after cross verifying the documents, official documents, whatever has been got reported in the media. So the thing was there that the girl was not in such a condition to record her statement. So after at around 8 days, one lady police officer has been got sent and the girl has given the all the details and the statement has been got recorded. From there the thing has came out that it is the one case of gang rape, and the girl along with the prime accused that the person earlier has been got arrested also has named the 3 other person. Now within 6 days and immediately they have registered the case under the 376T, that the IPC provision. Immediately the thing was there, they registered the case under that particular section also along with the previous section, and within 6 days this rest of the 3 accused has been got arrested. Now as the condition of the girl has been got deteriorated, on most probably 28th she has been got shifted to the Safdarjung hospital in Delhi, and there on the next day she succumbed to her injuries and has been got died. Now the question is coming out about the way that the cremation has taken place, because from her village or the cremation ground of her village, the distance of the Safdarjung hospital is around 200 km. So in the obviously this is the case of the when the gang rape charge is also there, earlier the strangulation charge was there, so the attempt to murder that the people 307 was there. So obviously it is not a fresh case, it is one case of medico legal case. So the thing is there that the after post-mortem the body is going to be get delivered to the police or the authorities concerned, that means obviously police, and it is the duty of the police to deliver the body in the hand of the next kith and kins of the person. Now here the thing is happening, the police is placing the story that the thing is something like that the girls, sorry, now the victim's brother and father was there and they have given the consent, and on the way back to the village they have been get cordoned off by the DM, district magistrate, and the SP, superintendent of police, and there they have given the consent, and the police with their consent has arranged the all the necessary things, or you can say the things that the logistics for the cremation, police has arranged the things. Now the accusation against the administration is there that they force them to do this thing, and finally when the body has been got reached to the village, it was like the swarm of bees, the way the police in the dress and in the plain cloth has totally surfaced the area, and the family member was begging, crying to get the body of their daughter. At least they want to put the haldi as per the Hindu ritual over the body, but the administration was not ready and they taken away the body from there, and the distance from her house to the cremation ground was 100 meter, and the body has been got cremated at 3 a.m. So that was the thing, that the high-handedness from the side of the police. So this is the case, and everywhere the debate or the things, a lot of things are going on. Yes, it's a one painful incident. On the true sense, it is a painful incident, terrible incident. But here and obviously the government has came out with the proposal of 10 lakhs compensation one government service, home, blah blah blah, that's the normal thing. So acquisition, counter acquisition is going on, and the thing is there that the word Dalit or that kind of the things are coming out. So from this particular spectacle, to analyze this thing, I think it is not the right thing to do so. See, you know that in every year India publishes that by the National Crimes Records Bureau that the crime in India with the heading. That means the rates, what kind of the crimes are happening or that kind of the things, the percentage. So that is the National Crime Record Bureau every year publishes the things under the title Crime in India. Now in Crime in India 2019 report, if you check the things over internet or googling the things, or if you have by this time you have read the things, there you are going to get the things that the crime against women UP has stopped. So I am not getting into this kind of the things because UP is not the some kind of the different part other than India. Try to understand this thing in the wholesome manner. Anyhow, UP has stopped. Now the point that I am trying to raise here, or try to raise the concern within you, that if you compare the data with the 2018, that the crime against women, it has risen by 7.3%. It has risen by 7.3% crime against women. 2019 data is showing that per day 87 rape cases are there. Per day 87 rape cases are there. Do you think that 87 is a very mere number? So per day 87 cases, if it is going to happen, then nearly how many cases are happening? Please try to look after this particular thing. Try to keep yourself vigorated around this point. 87 rape cases per day officially is getting recorded, and you know that the tradition and the practice that most of the cases has been remained unreported. So 87 rape cases has been reported in India per day, and Assam has topped in this particular segment. Now majority of this in the National Crime Record Bureau's that the thing that the report that has been published, that is the crime in India, as for example in 2019, in 2018, in this way that has been published, there you are going to find this thing right now. Now majority of these cases has been registered with the corresponding section of the IPC, mainly under three heads. First is the majority percentage, that the crime against women, that is the cruelty by husband or in-laws. That is the majority percentage of the number of the case. More than 30% of the cases has been registered under this thing, that means 498A. Then the second one, that is the assault on women with the intent of outrage her modesty. It has been dealt by the section 354A under IPC. So 21%, at around 21% cases has been registered with the respective 354 of IPC. Now the third one is the kidnapping or the abduction. Now here different kind of the sections are there. Anyhow, it has been mainly dealt by 364, 365, 366. Now 366 is specifically for the women. All these three, your 364, 5, 6, all these three are related to the abduction and kidnapping. Now 364, what 364 is saying? 364 is saying abduction or kidnapping with the intention, because intention matters in the legal language, with the intention of murder. So that is 364. 365, what is the intention? Wrongful confinement. Wrongful confinement. 366, what 366 is saying? Wrongful confinement with the intention for marriage or forced marriage. So these are the 364, 365, 366. So these three things are topping. Now another thing that I should want to shed some light there, crime against children. Crime against children has risen by more than 4.5%, something like that right now. Out of this, majority weightage is there. The majority weightage at around 40% is on the kidnapping or the abduction, and at around 35% against the sexual offences. And here also UP is topping here, that the concerned act is there, that is the POSCO Act. Highest number of the case has been got registered in UP, second Maharashtra, third MP. So this is the wholesome picture of the your India. This is a wholesome picture of the crime against women and children in India. Again, I am coming back to the point, for 87 cases every day is getting registered for rape. Yearly, how many it is becoming? Then how many candle marches are there? Or how many cases? That means per day 87 cases, that means 87, because this is the one kind of the brutal crime against humanity. Do you think 87 cases every day is getting reported over television media or the print media? No. Crime is the same, but it needs some kind of the attention from different perspective. We wait for the death to get the judgment. Now in the first track court, the case is going to be get trialed or that kind of the things. Every rape case that has been, Honorable Supreme Court has given the verdict, every rape case should be get tried in the first track court. So no extra kind of the privileges has been, or the some kind of the high-handedness, at least from the side of the government, or some kind of the privileges is not getting provided to the victim's family. 10 lakhs, इसका मतलब सौदा हो गया. The thing is, term is this, that means with 10 lakhs, is it possible to get back my daughter or that kind of the things? Getting one government job, is it possible that it will take out that the horrible things from my heart and mind? So these are not the compensation. This kind of the things should not happen in one civil society. But the data is saying something other. I have discussed the data. Right now, the data is saying something other. See, the thing is something like that, that when you are going with the things, why this kind of the things are happening? One kind of the democracy means what? Democracy means, because in our preamble it has been got written, the socialist word is also there. What is the objective of the word socialist there? Welfare of the people. That means uplifting the downtrodden people, not at the cause of minimizing the progressive people, so that the one semblance we can achieve. But it is not happening. It will not happen until we within ourselves, we will keep ourselves divided. Until this thing is not going to happen, until we will keep ourselves carried on with the things that okay, will remain scattered. One Dalit has been got gang raped by the higher caste. That is the thing is again and again is rounding. That means if one girl is going to get raped by the same Varna, then it's okay. What do you think? And your record is showing very dark affairs there. Crime against women has been got reduction. You just try to think about your home, about your parents, your neighbors. You are in love with them. You stay with them. 87 cases, from where it is coming? That means those people are not coming out from some other society or in your language, not from Pakistan, because in India everything is Pakistan and China is getting pushed by Pakistan or China. It is not like that. So we have to reach to the things, and you please try to imagine the bankruptcy of the administration. How sir you are saying this thing? DM and SP has reached to the Safdarjung hospital. Very good. They can. Then they are cordoning the victim's family. Why? Why that high-handedness? Are you getting my words? Because a lot of officers in district, not only the DM or SP is only one for the district administration and another for the police administration. Not only two officers are there. Because it is the hierarchical system. They are going 200 kilometers, they are coming back 200 kilometers, arranging all the things by standing there. Why this kind of the things are happening? That particular state, a few days ago or few months ago, they are bestowing on the things. By this time, for you, everybody, the Vikas Dubey is the popular name. Vikas Dubey encounter was there. So a lot of encounter was there. हम लोग तालियां बजा रहे थे. So the governance actually had tried to present themselves in front of the audience with one nationalistic macho image. With one nationalistic macho image. Putting or using the NSA here and there at their own wish. Going with some kind of the barbaric encounters and making everything right on the papers. Commissions after commissions. Here also the seat has been got created. It takes 2 minutes to form one seat. Kafil Khan case, those who avid reader of the newspaper, I hope you have not forgotten the things. So governance was in race to form one kind of the macho administration, nationalistic administration. And we the people, we were actually supporting those things and giving the kudos for the administration at the time of Vikas Dubey. Now when the question of the role of the governance, obviously administration also comes under this, to protect the vulnerable group or less powerful group. That is their duty. But here you see that the thing, the way it is happening, it is one kind of the coercion. It is one kind of the coercion that they have imposed. So for that reason, your district magistrate, your superintendent of police is reaching 200 kilometers, flying to 100 kilometers, then coming back. What does, if they would show that kind of the high-handedness during the first day that the case has been got registered, the thing would not happen. Our thing is that things should not happen. Writing something in the social media or going with the candle march is not going to solve this particular problem. Our law has enough strength within and our constitution is saying procedure established by the law. If they would continue for Vikas Dubey also, the same thing, procedure established by the law, then this kind of the thing would not happen. Because these things are in your mind, maybe if you are too much nationalistic, it is coming that how this Vikas Dubey case is getting related to that. Actually, all these things are interrelated because governance is a thing of interrelation coordination. So when one after one thing is getting outslowed, then automatically the building is going to be get collapsed. What do you think that this particular case, if it would be get fought by one of the ableist or prominent advocate, do you think that this case is going to find enough ground to be get stood very firmly in the court? Everybody, we have been got divided over the Sushant Singh Rajput case. To solve just one mystery, that whether that person has got murdered, because you can raise complaint. Postmortem report is saying it is the suicide. Now somebody is complaining, his father is complaining it is murder. Now to investigate this case, you are engaging so many number of the agencies. That means the normal force, do you think, has become so incompetent that you need CBI, you need ED, that whether the Hawala or the things has happened or not. You need NCB. You are putting the charge of the money laundering. You are recording the statement of someone is accusing someone, he has taken the drug on that day. If you really have the idea about the law, if you give the story now by yourself, and those who have read the constitution to some extent, they know it's not possible. On that day I have taken some marijuana. Law is saying whether you are possessing or you have been get caught at the time of consuming. In which party of Karan Johar that the drug or the things has happened, if that footage also you are going to get, with that footage what is going to happen? That is, from one side the thing is going to the other side. Basic queries was there that whether police was saying he has been committed suicide by hanging, father was saying that he has been got murdered. For that we are going with so many things, and you see the color day by day is getting changed, and media every time is going with the breaking of the news. Media trial is happening. Media is saying who has consumed cocaine or blah 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 blah, and the agencies are calling them. That means if to solve one case, whether it is murder, simple murder, or suicide, if you need the, what I should say, that the participation of the heart of the agencies, then easily you can understand the level of expertise of the normal administration. So this is the case. We should look after this case from this particular spectacle or point of view to get the proper analysis of the case. So this is all about the case. Now the case will go to the trial, and don't forget, again I am saying 87 rape cases per day is happening in India. This is not my own word. This is Crime in India report that has been got published by the government agency, that is the National Crime Records Bureau. So this is the thing. So what more I can say? Anyway, whatever I have said, try to incorporate in your mind and try to think on the note of this thing, so that it will be possible for you to write the GS paper 4 at the very best of yours and to get the best of the marks, right? Thank you.